Hello my dear students, me Mr.Dlear, your math teacher. The previous lecture we talked about the piecewise function and we learned what the meaning of piecewise function and we learned how to evaluate piecewise function. Today we will learn how to graph piecewise function. Let me start. For example, as you know, the piecewise function formed by two pieces function or three pieces. Let's use of this example or graph this example. If you have f of x equal to 2 if x less than 0, for example, and it's equal to minus 1 if x more than or equal to 0. Graph of x. As we see, we have two pieces. F of x is equal to 2 when x less than 0, and it's equal to minus 1 if x is bigger than 0. You know f of x is equal to 2, this is constant function, and the graph of it is horizontal line. Now, to graph this function, we have to graph this one first, then this one. We start with f of x equal to 2. Graph. This is horizontal line. As you know, we have coordinate plane. The vertical line is y and horizontal line is x. And this point is origin. Okay. To graph any line, what we need? We need at least 2 points to graph any line. To graph any line, we need 2 points. Look. Okay. This is 1, this is 2. What we put for x? For x. Look to this number, please. Look to this number. Is 0. We take 0. And another point, x less than 0. Give me another number less than 0. You can take minus 2. Okay. If x is equal to 0, then f of x is equal to what? 2. Any number less than 0, y equal to, this is y, equal to 2. Minus 2, 2. Then you have 2 points. Now we can graph this function. Okay. 0, 2, 0, 1, 2. This point, the first point should be big and gap. Empty circle. The first point. Okay. Minus 2. Where is minus 2? This is x, as you know, and this is y. X minus 2. 1, 2. If x is minus 2, then y equal to what? 2. 1, 2. Draw line from big to small. From big to small. Like this one. This is the graph of f of x equal to 2. If x less than 0. Any number, as you know, x is less than 0, x is bigger than 0. We done. Now the second function is this one. F of x equal to minus 1. By the same way, to graph any line, we need at least 2 points. What we take? We take this point, 0. And another point, x more than 0, and we put for x number more than 0, as you like, you can put 2. As you like. Okay, if x equal to 0, we take this function. Then if we put for x any number, y, this is y, is always equal to minus 1. Minus 1, negative 1. Okay. Now we have 2 points. We can graph this part. 0 minus 1. Where is 0? This is 0. Minus 1, this is minus 1. And this point should be big. Big. Okay? This point should be big. The second point is 2 minus 1. Where is 2 minus 1? This one. 1, 2, and minus 1. This is minus 1. It's big to small. Big to small. We done. This graph, the graph of piecewise function, which is this one. Okay? Another example. If f of x is equal to, let me put x plus 1, and this one let any number 3. If x less than minus 2, if x bigger than or equal to minus 2. Okay, let me graph. Sketch the graph of this function. We have 2 pieces, 1 and 2. Let me graph the first one. Please, this graph is very important for the next year for grade 12. Piecewise function, how you can evaluate piecewise function, okay, important, please. Now let me graph. We start with first one, we graph this one. Number 1, f of x is equal to x plus 1. To graph any line, we need 2 points. This is line. You know, sure, but why this is a linear equation, line. Look to x, do you have power 2 more than 1? No, the power is 1. We don't have absolute value, we don't have radical it's not fraction, then this is linear line. Okay, to graph any line, we need 2 points. The first point and second point. Okay. The first point, we take this point minus 2. We don't have equality, but we take it, okay? We take it, minus 2. And another number, minus 4, okay? If x equal to minus 2, then y equal to what? This is y. As you know, not f of x means y. Minus 2. Now, replace x with minus 2. You get minus 2, negative 2. Plus 1, which is minus 1. That is minus 1. We write minus 1. We have 1 point now. Another point now, replace x with minus 4. Minus 4 plus 1, minus 3. Second point. Now, we can graph this part, this piece. Origin 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. The first point. Minus 2, minus 1. Negative 2, 1, 2. This is negative 2. This is negative 1, negative 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But negative. And this is positive 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Graph this point. Minus 2, minus 1. Minus 2, minus 1. The first point is big, it should be, and empty. Why empty? Because you don't have equality. Like this one. Okay, just less than. This is first point. And second point, minus 4, minus 3. Minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative, and 3, 1, 2, 3, this point. After we plot 2 points, then draw the line from big to small. Big to small, please. Big to small, straight line. This one is a graph of f of x plus 1. Sorry. F of x is equal to x plus 1. We done this one. Now we graph second one. Now we try to graph this one. Number 2. Now graph f of x is equal to 3. We need 2 points. Oh, this is horizontal line, as you know. Always you take this point, minus 2. Minus 2. If x is equal to minus 2, equal minus 2, then y equal to what? 3. If x is equal to minus 2, more than minus 2, more than minus 2, sorry, we take 0. My mistake. If x is equal to 0, then 3. Then we have 2 points. Now let we graph this one. My negative 2, 3, negative 2, this is negative 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The first point should be big. or shaded, unshaded, shaded because you have equal, unshaded because we don't have equal. Second point, 0, 3. 0, this is x, as you know, always this is y, x, y. If x is equal to 0, then y equal to 1, 2, 3. This is second point. From big to small, and as horizontal line. Okay? You could take more than point. Another point. If x is equal to 3, because 3 is more than minus 2, then y equal to what? 3. 3, 3. 4, 3. Okay, look. Don't forget, please, if you have vertical line, doesn't intersect the graph at 2 points. This one is vertical line. Very important for next year. Vertical line. To test this is function or not. Sure, this is function. Okay. This is the graph of f of x is equal to piecewise function. This is piecewise function. Okay. Look to your book. You have this example. Sometimes they give us a graph and write the function. Try this one. Can you write the function if the given is graph? Yes. F of x is equal to, if we start from left to right, is equal to minus 1 if x less than 1 or equal shaded, and is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, this is 1, if x between 1 and 3, 1 and 3, unshaded, shaded, we don't have equal just for 3, and 3 is shaded, black circle, and plus 1 is equal to 3. When x is more than 3, gets to this side. Okay, okay, my dear student, try to graph this one. Okay, page 274, and this one. The first one is the same example, and second one, what's the difference? The difference just we have x square. No, we have x square. To graph, no, sorry, we don't have x square. Where is the x square? X square in exercise, maybe we have. Okay, good for you. We don't have x square. Both is line, okay? Both is line, straight line. This is straight line, this is straight line. And this one is horizontal line, and this is horizontal line. Try this too, please. Okay. That's all for how you can graph. Next lesson, I will try to solve the exercise. Okay. Here is the exercise. Okay, this a graph, each function. So straight line. This is x square. In this example or this exercise, we need more than 2 points because you have x square. This is parabola. Okay. Try to grab this too. Okay, thank you. That's all for today. Wish you best. Thanks. Okay. Yes. Bye bye.